Well, Yasaba, the Fiaman Quatamakle, Nasi Pisodin, Komokama say, the Abre, Mamenka, say, Mpensenpensemu Brenna, so on Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So quickly, could try and one bar, but tertiary for me, say, Adiatomoni, because, Nana, made that for me. Autosum, you do for Nana for you. We a celebration of life. Inti Yankotai, a year, ma ene ebusua nyina echi otumfo brempon Okoajiman Boache the second tertiary hene nana yako one unuanum nyina ne abusuafo nyina eba beta wache yene ho hyehyɛ ne sɛ if yada 18th March ewo tertiary ahemfie na ne memendance 19th of March Royal Cemetery na ebekɔ akɔpɛ ba panyin krabia na afei ne kwesi ehɔ na sajmadi bekoso mejiri se nyina beka kotai na nachi bra obapen ekuafoku otosumi no na nafosua eda for me mechi adro ba ne techrefo ni me na ahafofo nyina preko odi o ma ni nyawo ahafofo mun kama koma ntum yam ya kwan no hyehyɛ egu akwan ma bibia beko kama Alhaji Collins Dauda ana era nimnyamfo Eric Opoku era bano ni mnyamete oka kakra era bobi monyere mo ho e ma me Frida Prempe under the able leadership of George Boache regional minister afo ene mpanyfo akanyina nanom oma afo ntimi fa no ntoma pa emfra new months system and na e be beba at the appropriate time but for now the afo puntu na afo kanko na afo impejae continues to be key to Yemubi tine encourage say oya afo ni a be a proud Afonian, you know. Unama seobo se me Afoni, you know. Now, excuse me, Omanhene Kwabena Asante, me Afoni, me free Sutifi North, Kenya's #1, any 2, I can't see any, me from me, Omanhene Abrempom, you know, me proud of them. Into baby of Fribia, so free, Totroso, so free Jedu, so free Mim, so free Sankore, so free Ifa. Be proud, just be proud. Me. Now there's me, Alex Badwam. Now there's also. First also, because oh, you're proud Afonian. You're queen. You're Kwaba. You're bad. You won't come over. Well, my main car was saying, your papa, yeah, boss Bako, Elvis, Koku, Unyamia Domachina. And it's not a good moment, it's not a good time. To the family of Inya Bema Elvis Koshi, Titu Nirene Nemba, and to the multimedia Abushin Kono, and now for you know, it's difficult to talk about it because it's like it's not true. Almost every day you are seeing somebody on daily basis who interact with him on daily basis. Now, this one is happening. It would yet, and but it's very painful. So I don't know young candy which I won't tell you people as you want us to believe it. That's the whole issue. Ahobrasim any Adom to the wife especially and the kids. You know, times are tough, the moments are difficult, but the belief is that Onyamebe mo ahoden srunkumbi to stand this moment and beyond. And we part our your back so Onyame share in our day. Na yako kesi so nkoma abusua ne yire ne multimedia dwumako onyame admechna ana eyiye no hyehyɛ ne bibia kontu se ye kopɛ ne kora bia kama na wakɔ twere onyame kokomu no yebetu saa akontu no Elvis pemsie be say share bi erade enhyew yenyina yedin Tishisha no go no o show TV ni so a obehu se bibia go na watimi abetai ebusuachi na yetimi ai bibia kama the forecourt of State House ene memenda no na saa hwehwe yi na abekoso echina memenda ya hwe ajeme kan Erbisia, that's on that aspect of life. I am Mpensenpensemu doing come up with brain. Edamu nyina masise. Sadi ekoso. Yeah, back to the brighter side of life. For House of Chiefs President Ampofo-Adjei. Good morning. Kwakubuahi. Ohene your friend say.
Nana, middle school. No.
Nana, a young man.
Nana, be 47, 40. Been the cheap 3 or 4. No. Me 44 this year.
So, Anna, they be a
many pa.
Hey, Kwakumenkasa.
Anna, they be also an
Menkasa.
It's Nana Tabu Mons will be over.
Menkasa.
It's our administrator, Qualibu.
But they are only born FPA.
Miniano.
Yeah.
Upper Massam.
And we are proud of Ukunu.
Upper Massam. I'm son, me cousin, no. Ninianum. Or no Ninianum. Ne member. Or Mudi or no name.
Yeah.
Or me mammy.
Okay.
Or Mudi means what I say.
Matthias,
into Milan. Minian, and then any Dr. Sebo. Honestly, Ninian, Dr. Sebo, do a
electoral commission.
Debbie, Cardio, Ninian means me cousin. Inti, omo dim ma me
mamma
de estay do dim ma me achi what the estay do dim ma me near friend niama my friend chasei oye adwuma ikoko board
mo hwe kwaku abakosem na mo ni pa oyo
ansana ono nso ni nua no
ba ko ye na ti osa no
kase pam di hene me say di hene wo chia
me so ye ka ko afkenya sia ye se fi di na e me do na pe na
Dr. Sebo me chia no ba bia wo bia ne na na tablu bonsu chase hene kase pa abrantie pa na the way what you transform your chrome no
yeah na say abrantie be di close dia
o ba ye what ko me first for there be e chairman mama
o chu ko ye
because na me dey kan chairman bebre e we chrome
oh that's good
ni ni hene wo ho nti afi bia edu ato na ma be fam na ma ko di chairman na jama pe kakra mo say sane o power when they akwawe apostle plan first say na we you know apostle plan be MC na me to ye na so ye me to what go who boy why dem am starting free 5 times apostle plan be a wo bia bright abakosem makwara bako
oh bright abakosem
me nete me ba no no na mtete o ya o ware ne
enne
wo so menya ti me free am comment me go kam na me kosi ne ba parent me amenti
na oje aware
na am koje ti me free me tutu ta na china
be correlations
ewia na ba program so na china masa akwakoye so menya
okay ene china de ne ba mo e be kwa
mo ko jame o ya branch ya o jo pa nti
okay so menya fo e bia ne mo ho me ya china me ba be bo kwa achi do ma ya be well akotia
mu hian kasa dasebre asumedu apia autosumienu
dasebre asumedu apia autosumienu
ono no yo sie wu man
chale edi ni bi wa ebu du pa dasebre de dasebre asumedu
apia
autosumienu oye hine we
achimwanchi hine ono yo sie wu
wanchi hine
ba ye kan sie wu a sie wu mfa wo ni nyina
ito ono so wo sa de no omu nyina ahye no
omu nyina wo sie wu division ase
okay oya brantia na wonyini kakra
wenyi kakra wo ni 50s or early 50s
na a guy
a guy pa
o move kro no ma wo o move no
a guy
na ni dawo
a guy na ni dawo pa sa so eminu anti e obi a
okay nana ya chawa no pay so your guy obi a guy be say the development of ukro no da wakoma so ene che say your guy e krono a wo di so hene no a obrasem krono mpuntu ohian ene na guy no
yeah me obai wa ene ama bebre
otim say bibia ni obi nana onkwaso say there are some there couple catch me offer onkwaso nana onkwaso bibia ni obi ya baba na ye kase na kokuo mu na kusu adan Ogo no krom hin na wie efe de wo mu na kusu ye be ya manyo senti woni ma asa.
Ensem organo.
Dia sembiem. Asem e wo han se apose for nsem nkeke sisu.
Enna me te se na Adom dan Akufo-Addo kat. Na me say ebia o ba bi no me fit oni wi atekura.
No kan Supreme Court nkomo no waze.
Na me nwa.
What's your problem?
Na Akufo so. Want to me anka ho asem. Lecturers omo child the university. Accord strike almost 2 months. Want to me kura me na no anka ho asem. Eduma ye fo
kan ho asem no so.
Nurses obi se me more voice obi a voice nurses technically maybe. Why voice abem what 10 months ni. Yentu a omo allowance no. 10 months.
But yentu omoka.
There be yentu omo allowance no.
Oka
alawa for no. Edu.
Enye no kura.
Eni.
Me bo ha no say na.
There be mama ono nurse ni. Ni bi wo so. Ni bi wo so.
Wa se afude fani meto. Yes. Den kura wo.
Yes.
Bo su mama
eni.
Ono okọ na training ni we.
Oyoko nursing training. Ofo oyoko okọ eyi na wo yi from na. From na nursing training.
Ko ku ho ntipa.
Eni.
Busumi mako se o de be mo ase.
Mama mo nkyere wona tie. Okay.
When me nyintum say ya.
Okay. So
busumi mako say
but edu. Oh, tell me ntumi ntwa won tro. We program kese. Eni. Was say hi, I know all the boys so man not okay. Not thanks very much any.
Me ka say e bo obi me tie ni na ko fa asema brenya me ka say e bo e bi jai
o den ka tie
o de jai
na de we ya o boy what's the
anope ya hu me yi mi status no de Sunday me say me bad mutim me nka no mo bre
na say wo twa mu na obi di aba
enti we nu nyina wo ho onka ho asem enne wa hu ba bi a petrol aduro petrol o say na 40 something cities
enti dia na ka ho
oh na wa Omanhene ti
dia na person ka
ka asem o ya okay enti won ka ho hwe pa o hwe custom pani pa o hwe si a day would not to me yi tanks a pay and attract a pay more than 1,000 in a 550 crane to me pay one thing if it's on for and when you like pay contain it because rate now more jiwo ti no dem patch them and no thing be I just work about business then na ticket 200 million I just work about business 150 million ba be count or kwaje business way microfinance and come be just kan kakra o from that also microfinance na egu ni nyina savings and loans na egu ni nyina come na do for no susu omo malo no mama boso ma 10% and 20% in this amount 200 million boso mi bia no do 20 million na on fast what na wo so mi wa de no wa ko bo besia na ebe so akoyi niema no o profit no o ta de kutuaka
adwadifo na sha say the Ibrahim say Kwabena duty dey too much for Ghana
me that's it me that's it sin me twan to me
no
me ate
finesi so anopay
when mun nyina ekoso ye wo mampani wo memo me na me fit no mampani wo memo na wotumi aba be kata constitutional matters abra ta constitutional matters no eno emfa no mpo onu kura na ru afi o kan ya che onim
mame nka opo obi o kenkan pa
o da bi onim
mame beba mame ma oni
onu na na do no constitution kwa ru afi parliament bi o tu ayi nyina ru afi ontumi nkai ba akokora
parliament is your constitution
na parliament no no ko laws o pass no onya buta nto ka ba
parliament is your constitution
and I say oh na parliament
be na ko kasa wa bon na ofu
parliament before emra no mo ye emra no mo ye emra de be constitution ka ba akokora
kasa parliament constitution parliament is your constitution
emra ni bi ho
na ye kama ma dwadifo na hyase church de ntie ba so mo de ba
me kire wo
say wo sa asesa akopɛ me ma onyo ma me
say your constitution parliament
da wo fe na wo ya lo woni mo lo
to bo na nya fe le to bo ase to
wo fe na wo ya lo woni mo lo me na
kasa me ya lo
to nya fe na wo ya lo
bo masters it bu apayo mu komo na wodi se o kasem ana de be to jase enye law asem de ka wa do double masters
ana me
bu apayo mu komo de na wo raise komo abakama o say free charges na twitwa
ana me to say eno won ka won asem sa constitutional matters no be ka e fa no be when interpret constitution ono president no de ekoto o memu a e border on one integrity eno continue ka won asem ono eniema boni ekoto o memu ha ene a police fo a o recruit 3-4 years o me am Robert bu police mu o mu kunkum o mu e prepare o mu wi angofo de ba eno don ka won asem
se o ma ye di nkomo no sha se ya Ubo no bi so akọ.
Onka, what the me pada meka. And you be open meka. It means no, senior me ba ha. Ye an ye make informed decision. Na to ama me kwa no akata. We yes na we yes na we yes na we yes ya. E ma conversation e bata. Ma me nka dem pesa meka. Because nana do dan independent.
And then na vice president.
One waka. Me nya me na me meka. De me pata meka. O fit o beto odina MPP ni. Na person refer to BSC player. Enya matter. But de me refer. It jama me kata.
De me chene say, na check.
Se BSC player. O ma me de fan kwa o about ya o wuye. Wo wunti ni ni anto mu.
De nya BSC player. De me chene say. De bia no ye pempuntuo wo yesinti.
Na puntuo na ye.
O ntire me chei.
Empuntuo na ekwoto wo memu ye.
O tiere me kana obetima kasa ama wa me say. Ebiri bia ni ye pem konkan. Nti wo hwa me ntam pese be kase NDC apenso NDC. Kufu apenso ni eto petro say.
Edu anu aka. So petro gina na ye MPP politics anu aka. Ba ma me nkata. De me ka kire on say. De me ka e kire won say. Na Akufo-Addo. A wo no preside ne vice e preside police council. A police fo be nsia. A wo no fa wo ne regime ye fa wo mo. A ye di tu ama wo mo ya am robbers. O kunkun Ghana fo eju o mutika. Ontumi kan wanse. Constitutional matters no be because favor. What say o man no poto. Enti what say o man no poto ntino o petikenti no on kwese on say state institutions ni nyina state institutions ni nyina asai.
Ebi ni de way.
Me modi wa woni. State wa be trabobo.
Ebi ni de way.
Ni nyina asai. Moto na de na moto na de say
service with integrity.
Say service integrity na yira ana aka service. Na mka say dan pare ba yi kana integrity na be kan but say kwa that yira.
Na the end is betray the biaba power.
Yaba. Na de o man yi kwai won to aba man dis aka me mo oduanku. Wo wan to aba man dis ame bo oduanku. De o man yi pe to aba de ta akọ de titai. E say bi. E na say na sina wo ka. On po ma na ye. Nti de kan e kwai woni je ho. Wo ankata de o man ga na e kwai woni je ho.
And it's coming brem.
Nti de me pese me kan say. Ma me end. Nti de me kan say. Na Akufo-Addo. A wo mu di Ghana nya ye di twaje to mo. Hwe aye wa so wes wo gon. Unu say sa so atefo no. Emission commission
for anusi na
eba. Unu say emission commission ka say ye mu so ate no. Unu na Addo ti na bi the boys to mu wo mo. O ka so mu wo mo. Enei omu wo mo. Edi tuo cheti nkofo no. Na president oni mu hu bia. Nka to ate no mu no. Enam so no ru to boys ya. Omu no tramo. Ebi abobo rasta unu bia o obeka to mabodam omu 3 million e yete saa na pese ye wo mo mkutetu na nipa onu mu wi ni tramo o te ho na yo
kokuna de
ada na o ma ye kwose na atofofo wa
ya wadaruma
atofofo wa
misro wadada bi eye
ana me ni this episode ye asembe na wo ka emu ai
mami kase komo ba ko ada ba me se beto aso me de o ka chi de ye be so so charges e koso in fact business people no the same container which are 40,000 this time which are 90,000 and that's why we have to speak to the matter very important because a basa
no na me try controller
jai a basa a buy yeso you know so Akufo-Addo and me 90,000 you know clearly the person or best suffer kasipan cameraman is animal let's have a proper conversation as on this matter. Pay for drawing our attention to that. Ernest.
Oh my. Na sometimes ayane sisesana baby ado anu see and mention say fio. Sometimes we are tempted to have a proper conversation about the development of the state. Say you be dim komo dim puntu ebeba o mine yes. But o share ye nua to kwem didie no show ne so a enko ye ma me. Nti tena we out. Good. You see, I come and say, "Unyi be asa na also did you attempt there? Be ready." Well, we are tempted to have proper conversation. A bit me aboa na o man ni punto akoso. Na so hwe ye nuanom NDC for mo kasa e ni o mo ne ye ni o manam ntu a. Sometimes ma politics kwampo enya akono. Na aso make no. Enye say na NDC for sha se o. Emre o mo opposition bia no. Kasa o mo kan no mo enyama bi koso o man ni mu e bi si da na sa tete apansam bia e bro so se na be yon benya akwanya etimi afa nipa no mu no ma bedi so on bedi so nya de papa bia no mo ye se bi yenji tumi se de tena dem se ne fe and I said the we but o tie kwaku ka so ata ne wa ba mu tuntuo ne kanko ne nyuma aban ba o die every sector by sector no utimi fa NDC amemu N2 MPP amemu so utimi fa isolated issues na bubo dey na ka fuel price sit match no utie Barbados president no me sure say kwaku tie o tie speech na na say wa kan speech no
abete Ghana to
oh masa o kwaku o kasa me edin tie o ti me so me frɛ o se bekem sit match so tie Barbados
okay
Barbados.
Wow, me ntwa no. So ye amanyo semnia. Ebre wo me de ontimi ntie Ghana nkwa nkomo. Efa petrol ho.
Awada mami kama asel kama Matra mo akasa be 20 minutes. What's your fault?
Yankos.
Utie prime minister ni nkomo twetwe oche a. Also onim se Ghana ye de bo person hye Ghana fo nkura ni se enye Ghana nkwa ewiase nyina ayeden. Wo ma ono ani krom mfaton a ode ba ni krom mfaton e kire. Oka kesi su se ewiase ankasa ye den deda enam COVID-19 hunti ana wo hwe ne ekoso wo Russia ne nso a eno so kwampo de oha ni na obeto se ene ye tofu ni ye tofu na wabisa ne se enkomo be na oni ye atwi eno na obisa akwaku no ida se eye boapa yo nkomo no ni ye di ana se nimdie no na oni ba mi no mi anu gyina agitum se nimdie ne de owo eti aboapa yo nkomo ni mfuturo no pese otugu nkofo ani because onimye koso wiase afa na nyina na so de toto ho a ofa toto no bisa se emre ana na be Jerry Akufo office na petrol boy sen emre on betna so within the 8 years no what was the percentage of increment on country without all these external shocks no se bia enye se bia ne de ne fese oba be ka so there are external shocks but yen nyina ye nim influence and I say kwanya sanyama we efa so ema petrol boy den e boy den edu di metra na oncheche no mfa me so aban na on find Adom be ka na be ka say o enu ti efa so bo kan ade kra efi so fi parliament on si ade da sakasa we nye kasa ye ka champion because ye konisa
for the records Nana Addo danko Akufo-Addo.
Oman no po de nye ne be ka
na ade kinkan be si na me no be
tete oman enu po de how it is a well known fact Ghana aye we Ghana oh nyabote kwaku baby a papa no wadu na dwen I'm telling you the gospel truth onza motia no say na mo party for ye otuku no start say odi eru Akufo-Addo mfel ne omo keka na ewu no de ne ohun eto no sansem we bia no nse hunu wotina prime station so na wo kana obi de ne yikoye se nia wo young age so ne eto no so the same thing ebi kwa wo ndu ni age na wadri kwa e week e bi so asem kwa untimi nkanya sasem bia eti hu so pani sa di sa tibia num na hwe na adwen ni intelligence ene na motuo say we dey to enye na fe no even on this constitutional matter yeken so what in yewura ma kan bi sa say nti a lawyer for kwa nimdie for ko ni omo party ni mo betimi atuni fo ana because the position of expose here clearly just on tin was such a person can deserve say obedi Omanhene no because the truth is that obedi Omanhene now who name how the institutions of the state should function who name how an arm of government baby and 2 min kodu any baby and 2 min kodu a na obedi Omanhene na eden
o se sa at M1
they will say yes saboni na sana court ni tu yen saboni ana yem bi say o hwe analogy kwa o man no kwa che say one system na se onu na wo say kwa budwe wo say o kan na say on kan because the analogy o man o say se court no emasa ruling na kweku
na what they say don't you
o so control no matena mo aka say wonu bebe ba me yedi ma ka sent ya wo eti yedi na me ndi me nkomo kweku hwe ni sama o kan sa na beba say debate e koso nso a ene na wo say deputy speaker no so e den e contribute na sa analogy o man say bi adabraka e to asum on the floor of parliament say debate e koso obi an e ka bi I don't think it's not fair because Kwaku Kasan I could have decided to interrupt you every single minute to be our Kasan. Watch say yentie sa na se for enu kwa e di ahwe
anu so ni nyina so
mini na voice ni nyina so be no
eti ni anya atum no
aha ba mi e di tie no to onye di na men kasa analogy o man adabraka say debate e koso on the floor of parliament e den e chese o so obi aka bi. It is when the issue is put to vote, say Adie we ni yepese yesi ginaye ho. Ebia yepese yeko anase mboa. Honum no na as a member of parliament. Me nkofo ato aba ma me se me nkogirem no. Wo sa nipa no e wo so opagya wonsa na wo aba ni bi. Se nipa no wantimi anya akwanya nto aba ni bi a na chese ni tumi a ne mpeso asofo e de share ne sansa tumi no. Enam se all exercise sa duty no on behalf of the speaker no. Ya ji sa tumi na finisem. Now, when Kwanya there was a raising controversy because so, from 79.
A unanimous 7-0, that's a question. Shocking, but not surprising. An unfortunate interpretation for convenience that sets a dangerous precedent of judicial interference.
In parliamentary issues. She mamincho. Emna ye tu amofo. She emna ye tu amofo say womumbu amho no mo yem build consensus in parliament no wo mo antie. Akwai say woti wabusua mu na enipa mienu anya asa abusua pani tu mofo say mo nka anim no hin bu asem itia osi we de ye abusua asem ade nti na wo so hin buti an. Nti nam say obi obe make such analogy bia no na on T system na sa na so onim nyoka ana e bo apayo no pese otu efi egu nkofo ani. Because other than that, why would you make a statement? Yen you know him sefa asem no enkodan court ba time no. Emra the same court ne make ruling. Emma no say wono ya the election petition abeda no nemo ono no di bem yemfa amamuo no enhye ne sa no. Was it an unfortunate ruling? Was it a desperate or a dangerous precedent? That's some no person can. Just one there, especially where he's an ex-president. You shouldn't be talking like that. Because from 79, court now very consistent. To for an attorney general, court ni can say, court ni who to me say bibi koso parliament obabe tu ni na etiemu take decision na ma parliament amamra no ebo abra court ni wo mra say obetwa say kan wonu tu na men kama say what the okan ya constitutional issue cause what's a constitutional issue and say kan wan say mawunya what's your problem again? Well, and when your people reason like this, it's a problem, especially when the ex-president Ankasa and ono odi kwa nenim and omoto nyomboni we eche o man no because clearly
na me kata me dey obem bebrita I will take a setting to make kata obem bebrita messages am nya no edo to too much say
me match na match no
me kata na obem o kata o mu ba ko
be obem ana small can
me kata no obem
me hatwe
once asem no what the fa baby and so it's a me the fa baby and so post ni back
man fa no serious and what him abem no problem no the good thing is that the good thing is that me na e me dwumedi a wo ba so
dwumedi a be fair
so na sa permit kwaku mo ye ni opel show no ama kwanya ma wo ha okay. The truth of the matter say NDC for Ankasa prepare any abotre a omuni any nimdie for omon person be di omon nsam anim ti no asane kodit ya mpe no the blame no e kwa koto court ba time so emra omo abem the same thing gidi ni town Jacob Echebilam temuni ade any pofo ko gina court say court nchinchina ya mbuntia wi eche ekosi sen omo lusu case no na omo national chairman Kwabena the late. Wabeka to cat says na kwaku kebi. There are so many ways to kill a cat. Kunso ada betina no a walker. Because nan kente sa a sit there na court but a decision we making. It is not even first time a decision be say aban waka say was setting dangerous precedent. It is precedent when Amama can was
say an interference in parliamentary duties.
But is that the case? It's not true.
Now if that is the issue here. You are
the mra and mra is no common sense. I know what in fear. I know what to say. My dream say that
oh no. Let me common sense from them. Let me common sense from them.
What
catch on to what common sense from them.
Yeah, the mra and common sense. Pennyfobu baby say patapa pieto. Yeah, the mra and eden and a raw. Now it's the mra ya mra amekofona ni to common sense mra no now common sense na we no conscience no common sense ni say common sense ni say mamicho on say kwaku me po there me person me equal the records of the past people be can say o ma penso we ni we see muti opposition mutena biem even in opposition aban to me enhye mo sakra no wo national chairman and wo party executive mo ko china na mo din komo ankom mo boni covert and overt in common and
for now we cannot establish that.
Oh no. Na say we voice no.
No, I'm saying we cannot. Say nyame adom ina ya de enya kwachire court. Enti the court be free more than ba.
Me check kwaku common sense no. So bet on say me nya kwaku say ye dey attach sa case no. So bet
na on bi anago wuka on.
Oka ho. Me say bisa so bet na fidie so a baby a common sense ni adwuma no. Na wo kasa na wa hwe. It's so bet na fidie so. Na wan ka ni ye no na ye do be kwa ko gina court. Na mo kwa mutimi ko hye kukuom e bo sa po boni we. Eti mu hu nye hu si police ni a wa ko mo ko na ya che no kata wo mu sa be kata ni ta kata no kwaku o ma o se kwaku un control kwaku o so ni so kwa
oh
Mpensenpensemu be
di nkomo no pra na
eto time ni nyina ma na nko akasa na kasa 20 minutes
unim bridu ade kasa e. And Pacho, for the records, you are unable to direct me to do what you
want. Pacho, me to me na to ba, you be to correct.
That's true. Padà ma kon komo so.
Unia no e fit TV ne so anu akoye nu asem na.
Padà ma kon komo so.
E show.
Padà ma kon komo so. Kwa background so na ko ma me police and go my family and friends. That was beje.
The American. No the man mama so. Asemo a. Se binyanse ni papa bia beka. Ade obi asebe na dwene. Te wa no tramo ana to onye yi.
Trot tramo e ma.
So what them did ya wo.
Me wo to akata do mama.
Debi.
Wo to akata do mama.
Me na adwin ko be ko to me ma no tramo. Na wo no tramo. Wo wa shi na ko be tra me wa.
Mo me ko pam jo no potutu ti se.
Mo mu ni ho kwa no ma se o mu ni ho. Na show ni
o set president bi na te ye ka kire o say. President bi a wa set.
President I say my first time bi Akufo-Adjei.
And because yes Supreme Court for omo na interpret a constitution ma ye so nza and it's who interpret the constitution whimsically and capriciously.
Hey
next time we be next time we be obi so ba ono so be interpreting different thing unu say a police for and I told me say parliament talk parliament kra yentumi nchew we talk parliamentary duty so nza and our parliament wa yentumi say we notice kra ntina nsem bebre akọha ye kwa ye se da bi enko speaker ne fa ayi ne ma no emre bi beba because constitution mu emre bi beba se we interpret constitution say ya obi so beba na ya tena so to da bi nyata na mra ne tie obi ya bone a na o ye MP a bone bi aye bone ye tumi ko parliament ko koche no so nta emre bi bedu ota se ye ka na wo tie nya wo dia emre bi tumi do president bi tumi bedu o unu so 2020 no way emre bi bedu so emre bi bedru so na o parliament wa yeso akasa na ko Supreme Court atena so esi da bi asem na kan ni dangerous to tie konkofa no me em de se ne lawyers ni bebre kasa omti we declaration enye enforcement because ye bi Supreme Court declare sem bebre ye ni ha na 2014 at 2008 Nana President Akufo be fra kunya so e ka se ye nuan ba wa bo chire nyina ye nko no mo konkoto ala tote eniwo ni busa say ya ma wo mo wa bo chire na edicalating wadi ka wan for so
okay ma ni wan oni mi
ma no
na me mi say
untumi ni ma no edu so na kasa edicalating wan wa ye any enforcement because parliament they are masters on their own entina MPT ho na referee so MPs na this MPs atena ho so obi a wo ye referee ball na ko touch na was makwete na obebo ni atena ho e da sa na woke
John Bede
e da sa na woke sa so fofo so mo nkasa council of state for so mo nkasa Christian country so mo nkasa aso no maye legally no parliament wa they will do it for the Sam George aka
Sam George is not the constitution of Ghana, please. Don't give him that power.
Constitution of
Hold.
Constitution of Ghana.
Make you point out, Pacho. Don't make those references. No, what is that? Now it's just an empty barrier about the constitution of this matter. Please. Don't let us go that way.
3 arms of government.
Nobody is above the constitution of Ghana. Who person educated there do the right thing.
I'm telling you the right thing.
Nobody who has no powers.
Or powers. Everyone watching what parliament.
Everyone. Train. Remember what can wasem. But oh, to anya.
Some George to egu go for. Katwani na nyade. I want to make.
Woman is superior than the Supreme Court judges, and that's dangerous.
In America, at some papa, some dog say, yeah. Oh my honor, obi to me na tell you omo.
Any shame.
Edru ha. Yes, and to do obey ni shame no one. So what to me to me na tell. So how catch him to me na.
Ba onim say.
Etu no na di adwuma. Enyam mraku ni bia. Parliament no emra na kire say parliament no mo ho no omo du ti so omo ye nyina no obi ntumi wura betu omo
enyam mraku ni di adwuma ti den di adwuma.
Me say constitution na ka kire say parliament sa three arms of government obi na obi to interfere enti obi omo ye cabinet meeting na obi awura ho ana to obi akokọ say cabinet meeting kura ye ntwam atam no mo de ba ye nkonkotwam.
But you are making it very simple.
Yeah, Sanatia.
On the NTS, somebody are being
Sanatia. Come with Tiasa, Casan Mamma, I didn't go minor. Yes, Sanatia. Not because of political. What's a scientist for How do you do Saka? Trabutu. How do you do Saka?
I want Castle say, we live in Tina.
San Wacano, I don't do Saka, San Dodgers Waka. So been to match now on the Indian Parliament. And I went to Praloya to be black cat and declare it any enforcement. Because you declare near my baby or Ghana ha Supreme Court to declare near my baby or yeah enforcement. The
Supreme Court can then a man only among
say, yes, set the president to be Nandachi in Chinema, Eddie and Sabbath Netting, so. I can say, oh, I same way, dear, then cases in the yellow. I same way, let's say in the yellow. Because I'm quite okay, Jim, but what we want, my music, that was him. Or office on ten was he, as I said, or trade dintia on ten was a fair. What I am Rashibi Jenny, a warm Petraso, who Petraso in this case a day. Bofacha, I just jabbing, and I did for a docoy. It would be for ourselves of interest. And to make call me, you are not for me, to make a parliament on. Now, me say, Yamin Kwana, Munyata says, I'm your deputy. Now, me quite deputy. Minyan sa na wo mitirimu nkofo bebre ho mu obinti no ye ka se eduru ba bi na ni kwa se me 7 minutes dey am nkonko je sa privileges no enie maka ye dey ama me fi ye dey ama me ne me pay ye tu ase ne me nua no mo no a me no mo ho no me mpe enti ye bo mi di se me nkwa deputy na ye beto so aba no minyan sa na wo mitirimu na ete me yutu no
first deputy
second deputy o privileges so se wo nua no mo ho nyina ye mo allowance ye ma aka wo nua no mo loan no de koto ka unu ya memo mu no no koto fie ti from allowance mo ya ma ofie ya ma oka ya ma police fo di wachi ana wo say eno na wo pe ma me nyu ano eno na wo che wo pe efi say ye bo wudin unu sa
no koso metie
ye bo wudin say ye propose say kwaje first deputy speaker and second deputy speaker enye ma we na wo ho we ye wutri jojo kwaje ye no now the only say me be do so abese wo nkofo to wo kwaje.
Okay, so achinwe we ntina ako hia se mranimfo bi be
ko mranimfo parliament no constitution no mu say obi a wote akonwa no mu bia ha no untumi form koro untumi nso nsa anso ne meto aba na so speaker ni ho now we first deputy speaker now wote akonwa no mu ne yeto aba na wasi free so wo president dey say o we cha go for to na wo tri don wati so obeto aba wa na entra akonwa no ma.
Okay.
Wo say do wise ya
ha fe de mato
do wise ya waka Nancy ya 2019 ya. So was it we first and deputy speaker. Want me to abem for mukono. And normal born will radio to be between you. What day? No, I didn't have to say.
Hey. Paper on free or my paper.
Oh my.
Ababa be an can't know. Ababa be the kind. And I mean to be come ababa be somebody. And I don't mama kasa wunya no unkam wana don't mama kasa wona ne nya ai
amai
don't mama kasa your former president kasa oto ne ntu no
eh wise no me nto aso ye obi so ye wise
they wakan
amai mama nkai amai mama nkai Ghana mamra ne ha enchewo bebi a parliament fan to me fi sabi parliament no enye se ekwakubu an ne NDC for sorry ana omu boa mo no mkogu parliament etumi bi ana teche no mkopi o entisa omai tumi ni yefafi Ghana constitution Wamenka article 110 show as subject to the provisions of this constitution parliament may by standing orders regulate its own procedure it is oye mrashe bedwani and now ye kwaku boan and now ye NDC ex president bi na wadwen ye wo say say parliament etimi use ni standing orders intino eso sen Ghana mamra me so san kwatena senation ade biem enye saa na mra ne tie tumi bia e wo parliament no o fa fi Ghana mamra mu
ase wo
eti ye ndi mra so e betimi ani o pa na wo dada ho na mame nka ne fentu Sam George fo wo ni enti ana ano ya wa so by election no asumbo a police for ne born no se fata no because so we won say we be ma pia every tiete and say ni pe bia be face any form of abuse on my aboche because sefata
no matter how
you know them dimraso on Bugana on di Ghana mraso sani pano
for the records on sefata say etini yensa ebon
but sefata say as a parliamentary member no obeka say ti Ghana member
ono
sefata say as an MP no obeka so the mra be she ni nsem
ontimi fa mra
you see omama men can I always say it say me no me TV solutions the amokas and the bullet you be back me
because we bomb
because me bomb baby ana me ni bomb it is so ya won so ye be ma baby a ye kujao baby a uko jina ye oh mama kama
atoja for
o ka sa say ye ma kwa
police vote
kwa kunya sa for dem mama kama say o si Joe wise your wise o dem Mr. Wise men ka say waka na sa o kwa kutia woni nyansa say Joe wise atiefo na nyansa mu no o dia kana say
this kind of conversation
because you allow him to go there
no to be tricked
and a lot of times
the man twisa
see so mo yes aniama na ye tena say ni accommodate ye tolerate
and some will come away and some kata your mama be na wo kan then na wo kan
asema waka bia fa form
asem bia maka fa bia e ade o ma kwasa maka
me tell me did Akufo-Addo atem to some kata your mama
me di wana me so e bia tem ensem fata so
esu wani say ni pa na me percent
oh please
Dion yanto aso pamai the truth of the matter is say as MP untimi njina ase na onka kasa bia ope bia keke na onka say edu ono ma wo be de ope so no ana kwaku fi so tanechi no fi say o tumi no betin the martian in sa misbehave or parliament you should
kwache no
etina me catch us say so you see he's taking sa we no the leniency in himself the best in say edu ono ma obetima basa e bia ope bia na me sure say when an MP behaves in that manner no because he was the same misbehavior and I know didn't you see him when the police were trying to control him, say, look, the Akos were hanging at the he was there shouting. What's your cover? Kwaku? How did you amanya Samu? Obia or the oye or if you have to office a man, I'm okay. What's your problem? What's your problem? On my baby or the air me kebi chana
on my politics awo ye nyawda do na didi won
kwaku wadaruma
baby sa gata no person me ko dem nyaw na me ne beda o eti when an MP uko gina such a place because first of all when say fire service ni bi twem ha sesi a na baby shia although he is not detailed for here no ko to so say basa ye bi e ko baby a as an officer of the state no then I was illegal. Oh, the NSA. What is all this? What is all this?
Illegal.
No. I don't think you are being fair to me. Because the way I can make me a corner, I can be charitable to you. Why charitable? Edio. It is so nipa so, but one kasano. Sana anu kwakuti a oka common sensical approach kwa echo say ensese mrahye bedwani ebie visa it is a wutimi ka say wo bekwa akoye sa on the floor of parliament say mene so na ko ban say bi mpa bufuo na ma wa acting we a obi abeka say the intention was there okay and sana akoye it is aka say bi say emfa kwa mu say no ensese wotena asoso na utimi nya tumi kwa de show say I do on my parliament there mo pen amobe no you cannot do that. Yasuso mo ba bejiji mo ensese wode ne ho jim because right from the
nanado jin ho baji mo ne de wode eto ade
once nanado akase ti akota Mami show the difference between a statement. Akufo-Addo call no court no court na court ba time no e ka say wadi ncho utie ne kasa papa kasa mu ehwam kasa wu e dey no kai court 2012 court say we vague comment
yes domama so
Domama's comment are vague enyina so bi anim o say the court is interfering with parliament enyina so bi anim say court no interfere with parliament na sabi wa kan sabi my fa one so my no my yes you are not being fair to my other mama wrap up hwe parliament we bo emra court ba ta ni timi gina house etimi to the whole emra na parliament ye ni nyina to chene how much more ordinary decisions in parliament it is a kwaku adwen ye ne say court ni eni sa to me bebre there are several acts and there are several provisions of statute court na decide say sam na we yentungu obeka ya mbi etwem na ye de obi court so ye de obi no without nyina so and answer we party penny and answer we express now kasa without nyina so say enam sad ye we ntino court bar time interfere with parliament you are not doing as well. The difference too is that you keep saying say we betimi akasa
only right to say
oh my was no this tony shika oh my the truth of the matter and say no see dangerous precedent obi obeka sabe na so tomatoes ya obeka na sa oh my
mama mpa mashefo acho I think they've not been okay with us this morning.
No say when no one
Oma kwaku too much.
Unian
found mo yen se fata o show ni so man. Also do nice form. Enu kwa se wa kwaku se o show ni sa.
Mama mpa ahwefo ne atiefo nyina.
Na kasa che kwaku.
Na menhye mo bo se nyade a ebi betimi SB.
Oma wo shebo without advice.
Na oh.
Omo say you some question be me can not next week no mu some questions be. Nto ka we na dey ato.
No man wa betra show so we nua dey a be bo producer money o.
No bit mama menya asem because e nua ofie.
Yes, but na show no so na be nua anti chen say nya nti ne wa.
Be tum so atwe adwese so. Na the more wo hama na wo nua no. Na opese me so me pay masters na
actually nua no nti na wo butam question bebrebe a eni kwato butam.
Me be sia obi ahwe no so yi weekend na enti bi kwa ni bi dey sia. Be do bi ase.